And welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Sports psychologist Dr. Olivia Rose Esperance is urging the Ministry of Sports to employ a team of psychologists to check up on athletes who should have been in competition and are missing out on several opportunities. This, of course, is due to the cancellation or postponement of several events and competitions due to the spread of the COVID-19 coronavirus. Denise Walters reports.
Sports psychologist Dr. Olivia Rose Esperance believes help should be provided for local senior and junior athletes along with other support staff in the sporting world to help cope with mental health and emotional issues because of changes brought to their lives as a result of the coronavirus.
I'm imploring the Ministry of Sport in particular to arrange for a team of psychologists to be of service in providing the necessary psychological support needed for those in the sports industry during this pandemic.
She explains that sports is more than a job for any number of athletes, as they also use it as a means to deal with other facets of life.
It is of great concern that we may observe these persons who were once winners morph into warriors as a result of the fear and stress. Some have even admitted that it is a scary moment, as well as it's also frustrating, and some have also mentioned that they use sports as an outlet for peace and a means of enjoyment and escape, and no, they do not at this moment have that luxury.
She also implores athletes with busy schedules to look at some of the positives at this time, such as spending time with families and making preparations for when they become active in the sporting world again.
Review video footage, assess your performance, look at areas that you can improve, and stay active, because after this has passed, it is back to competition. It is back to competing at the highest level.
Dr. Rose Esperance also wants athletes to stay focused in the moment and to not cause any hindrance to future opportunities for themselves.
Stay positive and check in on each other. Remember that you are not alone. Seek professional help. It is okay to feel disappointed. It's okay to talk about your frustration, but please choose healthy coping mechanisms. This is not the time for substance abuse. This is not the time to engage in activities that will be hazardous to you in the future.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.